Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through what's technically possible with employee screen monitoring and why you must always check the laws in your country before using any of this. That's very important. We do not give legal advice, so please contact your lawyer, inform yourself. The law depends on your country. So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider researching monitoring tools for your clients, this video is for you. Maybe you're asking yourself, what can I actually see on my employee screen? Can I watch live? Can I review what's happened earlier? How far does the technology go today? In this video, I'll focus only on the technical side, what software like Wolfeye Remote Screen can do from a pure functionality perspective. I will not give you legal advice. As I said, I'm not a lawyer, and laws are different in every country. We have a lot of customers or a lot of you watch from Latin America, LATAM. It's totally different as if you were trying to monitor employees' computer, let's say from Switzerland or Austria. Yeah. So please take legal advice. We do not give legal. This is just a technical video. Yeah. You must always check the rules in your country and follow them. Yeah. And do not anything illegal and talk to a legal professional if you're unsure. So technically, tools like Wolfeye Remote Screen, the tool that we will talk about here, can show you the live screens of the computers in your company in real time. That's what I will demonstrate it to you. And not only that, they can let you open a single screen in full size and watch it live as if you were sitting in front of that computer. They can also record screen activity as screenshots, a screenshot history every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, so you can later review what has been happening on that particular computer at a certain time. In some setups, you can even access this from your own, not only from your laptop, but you will also see these live and information, live screens and screenshot history from your from your phone, for example. Yeah. So how and if you're allowed to use these features depends completely on the laws and regulations in your country and what your use case is. Let's say it is a school, it's used for IT monitoring of IT classes, let's say. Yeah, it depends on the law, regulations in your country, and often on whether employees have been informed or have given consent. This is also an important point. So please always make sure to follow the local laws, your internal company policies, your use case, and get proper legal advice if needed. This video is only, again, a technical overview, not a legal advice. So let's jump into the video. So Wolfeye Remote Screen. It is basically, how it works is like this. Just to answer the question of the video, how it works, what is technically possible. So you use a small piece of software. I will show you how to install it. You install it on each of your company's computers, for example, and after you've installed it, you receive the link to your dashboard because you will see, and this is the demo now, the live screen of those computers on that dashboard. So this is the dashboard, this is the demo dashboard, that's why the password is displayed. You log into the dashboard, log in, and we'll see the live computer screens for each of the computers that Wolfeye Remote Screen has been installed. In this case, 5 computers. You see the live screen. Live screen means in this case you see the screen updated every 2 to 3 seconds approximately. So it's like a time delay of 2 to 3 seconds. And this is the demo dashboard. So this you only see here like pictures, okay? But in reality, you will see really the live computer screen. You have the option to turn into 2 columns this grid, so you see bigger screens, or only 3 columns, so you see more screens. And yeah, you can change this design. And also, if you would like to take a closer look and monitor one specific computer, you can always hit this live link that you see for that computer you want to monitor with a right mouse. Right mouse on that link, very important, not left mouse, right mouse, and open in a new tab. You have to open in a new tab. And that particular computer opens and you see the live screen of that computer. And again, here in this video, you only see a picture because it's the demo dashboard, but in reality, you will see the live screen of that computer. And also, if you wanted to see history, what has been a screenshot history, right mouse click, for example, for this computer, and the screenshot gallery opens. Every 5 minutes, every 10 or every 1 minute, you set the interval, you can check the screenshot history to check what has been done. So if you would like to install it on your computer, come to our website wolfeye.de, click the Start Free Trial button, and book a demo session with me. Demo sessions, click the day, the time, enter your information, and in this demo session, Wolfeye is already installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard. So you exactly see the live screen of my computer. That's what will happen. And if you like, we can install it on one or two of your computers. I guide you through the installation process. I've sent you I sent you the download link. And this will enable you to quickly and fast set up Wolfeye Remote Screen, install it on your remaining computers, because it really only takes, I don't know, less than 1 minute. I will demonstrate it to you. Wait a second. It's already installed here, as I said. But the software that you download is this Wolfeye setup, basically. You have to double click it, do it together. The install shield opens, you hit the install button, it is installed, and then you launch by finish. You hit the finish button, it launches Wolfeye Remote Screen. And the last thing you must do is hit 3 buttons. You hit the share screen button that enables the monitoring, and then you hit the stealth mode button that puts the software into stealth mode. I hit the button now, zack, and the software goes into stealth mode, hides itself, and will monitor this computer from now on, hides also in Task Manager, everything. That's how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. So come to our website. I'm happy to get to know you, to do a demonstration for you, to install it on one or all of your computers. See you in the next video.